Sanibonani Molweni Dumelang. This is TVC Channel's Pastor's Kids, Growing Up with Expectations. I'm your host, Lindiwe Mdlalose, who is a PK. You know, a PK that was never content, who always envied other people's life. And then I was introduced into drug trafficking. I'm sure most of you know my story. Traveled all around the world. Then in 2012, I got arrested. That's when I had a turnaround in my life. I said, God, I need you. So this is the reason why we are here today, to talk about these issues, you know, stories, journeys that we go through. Today, we are so blessed. I'm so honored to have my brother, the one and only, Uskim GP, or Utemba Lukele. I call him my brother. And I understand that we are saying he's a motivational speaker, but to tell you the honest truth, he is a preacher. He is a minister of God. We are blessed to have him today, and he's going to take us through to his journey. Apparently, also he's a PK, you know, and I'm so grateful to hear more, because today he's going to take us deeper. Shalom, Butwami. Shalom.
Grace and peace, ma'am.
Wow. We are blessed to have you. Can you kindly introduce yourself and tell us more about your background?
Thank you for having me. Igama Utemba Lukele, otherwise known as Uskim. I'm a father. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm an entrepreneur. And also I'm a, you know, abantu abasebenza ngomphakathi. You know, the humanitarian cause, there's that element as well, because I believe ukuthi ngendlela uNkulunkulu asebenza ngayo, he creates a place and he puts a person. So whether ukubeke ejele ukubeke kuphi, the fact remains, it's like abantu accidental abavuke ba ama leader ngoba bashisa izindlu ezi5 ezi6 bakhethwa. The fact remains is you are a leader. So yeah, I'm just pushing and gravitating towards the positivity.
Thank you so much. Sizizwele sonke babukeli ekhaya. So he's going to take us through, because I believe he's got a story to tell. He's got a story to tell, and one thing I love about his story, he is so educational. Because Singene Intweni, what is important about this show here, Pastor's Kid, is to say we thank you, God, because Singenile Intweni uNkulunkulu was keeper, and we ought to be able to kuma mistakes eswayenzile, we need to rectify and repent. So he's clearly going to tell us more about the journey yakhe, and we are going to learn, and we are going to be blessed. Butwam, can you please tell us more about the challenges in your story as a PK? What happened? What did you go through a life in? Because we want to hear ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuthathe wakubeka phi kuze kufike namhlanje.
Thank you so much. Well, let me clear the issue to your PK, because we have a lot of people as Pila Nabo. I submit under the leadership of Bishop Benjamin Dube, and I've got another spiritual father, Pastor Kolanzo. So by virtue of them being fathers, you know, probably perhaps we can narrow it down to, you know, that PK. But the time Alami, an ordinary citizen, someone who is a harmless germ, laid back, you know, I would say he doesn't even kill a fly. He won't harm anybody. So Nkulenje Grand and Jenga, any other person. So in the Bible, there's something about, you know, ukuzwala komntwana, and then bese kuba khona ama stars, and the stars following and up until naku kuthiwa nangumushe. So bese kuba khona lawa aba control or ba rana balandela le stars or lenkanyezi, but barikasisa ukuthi ke babuhlali babuchabela. So the wise come from the east. I'm the boy from the east end. So the wisdom, it's not sexually transmitted. So mina, what I speak about, what I talk about, it's not something engifunde encwadini. And it's not also something engayihabuliswa ngithola amakhotmana axoxa hlele khoneni. It's the life that I've lived. So every step and every mile engidlule kuyo, and every milestone, I can always go back and say, I come back bearing the scars. You know, I always talk about people seeing the stars, and masofika bakbuka bona bakuthatha as an epitome of cleanliness. They elevate you, bakubeke da kube ngathi azange uphila, kuna the in between. But wait until the life humbles you. Once you're humbled, it's only then bafika ba leverage now. So kune language ekasi but hey uhamona uhambile uvayile lo mtshide. You know what does that supposed to mean? It means ubashiyile. So na ikwali la ikhona uvayile. So ngibe nayo yonke le nto. I'm just trying to draw and paint a 360 picture so that any young man, young person ohlela usekhaya angacabanga ukuthi this was a microwave success. Microwave uyifaka manje inkukhu ifrizile, 10 minutes later yonke into uyithene to a meal. So life yami or journey, I talk about people that are around the life yami. I always say to them, if there's a harmony, there's njabulo, kunosisilindiwe, you are, each one of you guys, you are carrying a gigantic piece of a puzzle of my life. So maungekho wena ngiphelelanga mina, I'm not complete. So I was raised by umntwana bathi ukhuliswa a village or a community. So ngifana ne village bicycle mina. Bagibele bonke abomalume ama time ama Grootman, because I had to dodge bullets sikhulele endaweni yaseKatlong between the IFP and the ANC. It is the story that's well covered in my books and well documented, and also the history does not have blank spaces. So we all know through the pages of history what happened. Mawuphila ngaye eKatoras or eThokoza, iKatlong neFosloras, which obviously loosely translated to iKatoras or Eastern as a whole, because even eTembisa they were affected by the political violence. So nami ngumntwana ophuma kuleya era. I'm amazed how people now tend to forge history. But when they are forging forward, bakwazi ukuyikokota yonke into no exile ngaphakathi. Today sinabantu abasiqinele la, basibheke kanje head on, just because they are claiming lento yokuthi bona bayengale. A lot of them are saying yathi now we fought for the revolution, we fought for freedom, we fought for liberation, all good and well, but kwesinye isikhathi credibility yadawuteka. We need to go and try and test these people. Thina we were tried and tested. Thina we were bruised and battered by the storms of life. So the people mabefike first bazi ukuthi uSkim ukhule namajita abomselo abombongeni abobafana, bonke labantu ababangayi uyazibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. We've lost a lot of giants bakhona bo Navy. So when you are mentioning some of these people, someone ohlela usekhaya, people are not stupid. You can be Silindiwe and be presiding over a biggest channel, a advocator for a pastor's kid. Mara also, Mangiti people are not stupid. They are very learned. They listen to you and they would say, no, this person does not know nothing what she's talking about. This is just a motivation or a mambu jambu because she's been listening to about Oprah and stuff. I did not listening to any. Yes, we were privileged enough, Sonke, because we were breathing the same oxygen. Probably we had the same opportunities. But the difference, because begliwa, mina zange ngasikhethela ukuthi ngifuna ukuzalelwa kuphi. So edladleni indlu beyilana nje, just not far away from your hostel. So indlu yasedladleni bayikhetha ukuthi ayibe ibase for abantu bekumele balwela amalungelo omphakathi. So it was an enemy line. So ngikhula mina kugcwele ibhamu endlini, ngibona amajita nje amnyama babovu bade mehla bovu babhema insango. Mara ngishera nabo umbhedo one, and I was only 15 years of age. So I want to influence kuya. That's when those people they've dangled a carrot. The seed was planted at that time. So abazali, in concluding the first mhlambe segment yoyivula ukuthi every time mawubona abantu incozi zakho zenza izinto ngathi singaba present, uyabona. Now the world has been taken over by social media. It took us by storm. Everyone thinks suddenly is a celebrity. Everyone thinks ukuthi uyakwazi ukujwayela just because bakubukela kakhulu on TikTok. Have you seen? The world is just too small because there's someone obongacabanga ungahlangana naye, but just because of uhlala lana and causing waves on social media and uyangena. Thina ayibanga khona le chance yokuthi ngangena ku social media ngenza video A1 itrend bese mangicedile international. People they go viral. Ekuqaleni bekumele sambe the walk of faith and the Jericho mile step by step, uyangithola. So that is why we said, okay, yini enye option from the crime and from all the ashes and the dust. Mavele ngathi mina, no, I want to rise and be vertical above the ground so that I can stand up and be counted for my community. But unfortunately, I did it in unscrupulous ways, which was the criminal element. And everyone has a story. This is my story. Today, when I get an opportunity, I don't miss an opportunity. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. Because remember, a lot of people back on apart. Namhlanje samba phezu kwabo, namhlanje by statistics, basejele. And for the longest of time, they are serving, terms ezidlule iminyaka yabo yokuzalwa because of the mistakes abazenzile. So Pastor Stembiso zonke ukhuluma about 100% yomuntu ukuthi emfethu akekho umuntu perfect akekho 100%. So we need to be very clear because you're listening to Skim and you are thinking, but Chief, this man, if he's so smart, he's an eloquent as a speaker, this man can always dribble. Okay, you can always find his ways. Akhona ukubona ngumuntu, I'm human. Akuna magic la engwenzile. Yonke into I had to do it kahle through sweat and blood. kunabantu abakhona who has got the royalty blood, like abo former late statesman Nelson Mandela. That person was chosen as a symbol by his cadres because they saw something which we can loosely translate it to a leadership qualities. What is leadership? Leadership is influence. And then usho kanjani? You know, Dr. John Maxwell, he says everything rise and falls on leaders. So ngikhulume ngayo mangivula ukuthi whether ukhethwe nge-default error or accident, the fact remains you are a leader. So namhlanje we've got leaders and then bawusebili bayeta kopile khona ukuthi kuthiwa umyeta pili khona umyeta kopile. You are leading people but ubashiya behind. So that's what concludes you know, the makeup and the DNA kaThemba Lukhe.
Wow, really, we are blessed emakhaya. You know, ngithathe ku statement sakhe ubhuti uThemba Lukhele Magathi, you need to talk about something that you know. You know, it's good to talk about umlilo ongene kuwo. Don't talk about something oyizwile umuntu athi ngike ngangena esimene songibuya la. But what is powerful and what is nice about his story ukuthi ukhuluma ngobuhlungu abaziyo. So uyazi ukuthi ubuyaphi, I mean ukhula ekhaya naku ibhamu zilana ziyabuya nje like mncane akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But what I love about all the things that uButhemba andlule kuzo zimenze ubhuti esithi masimbheka namhlanje sithi we want to be like him. He is a strong man, bold enough to speak out. You know, it's never easy. Don't take it light to see people like him behlezi la esofeni to talk about where they are coming from. It takes those who are called. So Putwami, I would really love us to take a deeper, man. I hear you ukuthi we know ukuthi ubuya phakathi ejele. So ababukele emakhaya, they are saying, man, we need to hear more. I hear you are telling us ukuthi kuqale kanjani ekhaya ukhula kunisipitipiti ibhamu nani, but we just want to hear more because the program is to make sure ukuthi we educate more especially young people because they are after izinto ezihamba fast. We need this imaleza fast. But tell them ukuthi lalela I-crime ayibhadali ukuze uyaphakathi uyodonsa because it's never easy ukuthi uyejele. I know I can testify. So can you please take us deeper kancane ukuthi le crime uyiqale kanjani yazi yakuthatha yakufaka phakathi?
It's a long story. Ngizatry nje ukusikhatha short. You know, a man who can, you know, laugh over his troubles or hysterics, that's a man of course choosing. Akukho lula, you know, mawubhayiseka or izinto zimile uthi uyavula ifridge change amagere kuhleli anyanisi. Uyazi le vibe yokuthi nikhumbuzana endlini ukuthi uyicimile igiza mele wazi mawu drive icar amajita ayazi le uyifake ku neutral makwehlela. They understand what does it supposed to mean. Mawuthi you redeemer e-wallet ithi idlile airtime ukuboleka i-airtime kwa Vodacom ukulanda umntwana wakho esikolweni kuthiwa sabamsuspendile because akabhadalanga ukuthola i-call from the bank but le moto yakho silanda endlini or silanda emsebenzini bongakatholi lawo ma-calls awazi nix ngempilo. I'm not saying they should go there down that route but mawungakajikelwa abantu awukakayiboni kahle and awukakazi nix. So in life, because I don't want to sound philosophical, in anything that you are experiencing as human beings, everything you have experienced, you have created. So I've created this world. So ngesilungu bathi you have made this bed, you need to lie on it. And I also you know, amplify message yokuthi anyone who still feels ukuthi ufuna ukunavigate through the storms of life bese commit crime, you might as well be prepared to do the time. You must be prepared to do the time because you know ingalo yomthetho bathi ungazifihla la iyo round on days kubamba. So that's a set ending story because Tina, we ended up being statistics. I never thought ukuthi I will cross that road again. Mangiphuma ekhaya ugogo bakasuka from eMngadi wathenga indle Whiteville. So istrategy eWhiteville abaningi abajwayela ukuphuma ngeFosto usuka la maPerimari watwathu wehla straight uyo cross iBoxburg ngaka left. iBoxburg for the longest of time mina I was under the impression ukuthi ifem yokwenza amasweet le. Ngithi hey man ngibona amachimbili ngithi hey la kwenzakalani one day ngafika kule chimbili kanti yaphenduka khona ke ama 28 operator la khona kulakhala khona izwezwe umeze bagwaza ngenye into eloliwe hayi nokuthi umeze wangempela bagwaza ngale ndawo pholi. So let's just talk about prison. You know, people who are saying hey mina ugwaza ubophe ngiyokudonsela kukhona umuntu ekuthiwa uyisithutha or uyislima amagama akhona and asesizulwini uyabona mawufunda inqolobana amagama existayo yabo. So ukunje thina sinokufika sithi tiptoe around because usaba nje le confrontation and also You don't want to be a bearer of bad news. You want people to really, when they perceive you, bakubone ngathi clean. But let me tell you, ukufika kwamejele, mina ngafika very welcome beyimbi because beyisukile vele kunempi ku-28 ku-26 kujoyine kwasama big 5 so kugwazweni kabuhlungu so ngifika mina kuthulile and I'm saying to myself kanti what's going on kanti sebabalokhela abantu langa lishisa so i-out yami sibuye off and umajistrate uqeda usinika intaha mara basinikeza ichance ukuthi okay hambani ekhaya leyo nto leyo I'm sure omunye nomunye ohleli kanje uyazibuza ukuthi epat scheme chief don't rush chief take us through the courts kwenzakalani
mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi intaha yini sorry ngicela just explain that part
so ngoba kunika iminyaka eminingi egibeleni uyalizwa legama libhlungu intaha ukhona ukuza ukuthi igama lingekho right ushawa uvalo bese ingqondo yabaleka mangithi ingqondo yabaleka ngikhuluma ngogwetshwa njalo and mawuqedile uphenduka isidomu yazi isidomu esikolweni uyakhohle into oyifundile why ngathi kuba wiped and also kuba heavy i-courtroom ngathi kunento ekuthiwa amaloyo thina sabazalwana sithinti kakhulu kulezo but it does not mean ukuthi ngoba uyazi lento rokayibona hayi ukuthi ayiexist ikhona vendor siyabona siyezwa esikhule siyazi lento ukuthi ikhona so mawuhamba unabazali bakho now I committed all the heinous crimes ngagraduate from one level of crime to another let me just give you a build up real quick ukuthi ngifika kanjani ejele so mangisuka lapha emngadi we started thinking of course enriching ourselves in unscrupulous ways and we committed ama crimes nyana petty then one day ngitshontsha the very same gun from endlini since bekliwa went to school time elapsed siyaboshwa masiboshwa lento it's taking us back to prison first time experiencing a cold jail cell I'm 15 years of age first time boshwa nge-AK47 I'm 15 years of age first time ukunderstand ukuthi kahle makuthiwa freedom yomuntu it's taken away na 15 so well unfortunately one of my friends uThabo Likhodi bamgweba bamnika 6 years thina ke bathi no you still underage bas release into the custody or care of our parents so thina we lived to die another day so I was free now of course enkhona ku system from age 15 so mawuzakhela lento ngihlale ngithi abantwini you are creating something you are casting a spell upon your life without even ukubona uyahamba uthi ngoba ngumntwana ngina 15 na 18 ngimuhle I'm curvaceous I'm talking about young girls mawufika uyolala nobaba lo baba una 39 lo baba una 52 kudala bula labantu uze ngomkhokha ngegazi elibi analo maqedile ufika wenzani ukurabha ngale energy you understand so makagrapha ngale energy uma ngeli izinto ngathi azihlangani into zesikolo azisahlangani uchange even your facial appearance your physique iya change because of the way kwenzeka ngakhona ngoba ngithi wena umove away le uzitshela ukuthi lento kahle ilento self gratification sonke sifuna akekho ngafuna ukuba relevant yabo kuhamba kwakho uboshwe ngama drugs and stuff we had a conversation through a podcast yethu against the wall and when you are offloading I could tell ukuthi son lo muntu wanted validation so mangisuka nami I wanted the very same validation siyaqala ke manje sesijontshi icar sengimuvele eFoslo ke sekuwest ngithola abantu bakhona bangayimara abakhona baseFoslo basibiza ngabo kawo esprayed ithembisa isowet amakasi ke South Africa there's I would say anama themes are different in as much as we've got episodes or ama series akhona sidlula kule winter ile fashion sidlula kule autumn spring summer kuhlala kunama fashion a different so kunalento abathi revolution there's always a trend so I was a trend setter I would pick up a new direction start working towards that way because I did not have the no the maybe the for me yonke into bengibona nje possible you understand because I am created in the image of God and into zami the way bezenza ngakhona bengibona ukuthi manje into zami iziphinile and everything engithintayo it tends to gold I mean I've played soccer ngidlala karate kickboxing ngayenza ama boys brigade so ngabe amagama ikusuggestela ukuthi but this boy musukhulele bandleni a full gospel church ngangiyichoir master ngi youth leader at the age 15 the same age ngiboshwa mina now sengingenile futhi sengiya understand ukuba bona fide Christian ukuthi yini you understand because every day ebusuku uyathandazwa ekseni kuyathandazwa so ngabe amagama ngikhuluma ngani Lindiwe Mdlalose you could have umama ubaba phakathi komhlane nembeleko but in between like le foro kwenzeka into ezimbi phenduka imiphefumulo because when you are conflicted the Bible says the house that is divided against itself it will never fall it will collapse so now you are a tormented woman you're a tormented man so I had a lot of things that I knew ukuthi I could achieve a lot but because ingqondo yami I feel ukuthi I had this energy, you know, ebe resonate na wonke umuntu ebekhona around me, but I did not find harmony bonkosi ubani ozo entertain to say can we just cultivate lento yalo muntu and make him a man that he's supposed to be, because I mean as a young black boy today a soccer star with Tsotsi, so I mean unfortunately I was a thief instead of being a soccer star. So being a thief, I am not here to endorse and embrace and amplify message a crime. I'm just telling people who are saying, I'm tempted, already saying, I'm about to do something wrong. Just know that something wrong would lead you to umbeto ama 26. Bawurape, uzolala ubuye pregnant la. Bakumangalela ukuthi indoda kanti iyapreg. And mawufika ngale bakutela ngegonorrhea abadlali futhi.
Yes.
Mawuqedile uthi usazobuya bakugwaze because sebalwa ngawe manje. Usuka la uloku ya fashionable ngapha bafake nama tattoos. When you get to prison, lawo ma tattoos they speak volumes because ufake iflower. Le flower ufake ganja leaf. Le ganja leaf iprison njalo. Iyakhuluma, I'm trying to balance the two worlds now ukuthi ngiye kanjani lapha. So I'm looking at this now, I'm saying, Nkosi yami, kube ngatshelwa ngale leaf le ganja leaf ukuthi hey chief, lalela chief. Lahli side phela ungavaleleka because ngangidlala ngegrill esejele, but two things ingakuvalela ingasavuli. Unfortunately ngithe mangiswinga yabona ukuthi kudlala ama dice ivele yalala vele ngale side elifunakalayo la ngifaka ejele, and I was lucky then ukuthi ngiphinde ngireintegrate ngibuye ngayi. So ekukhuphukeni kwami ngiyongena kancane kancane, I ended up saying no man guys, because it's supposed to Njonji Motona and this thing does not make sense to me. It's literally converted to witchcraft. Mina bengibiza kanjalo ngithi I can't steal a car worth 250,000 ngiyithenga nge 2,000. The next thing share ama 5 clip or 600. Ngizoyenzani manje 600 rand. We started ke manje serious focus endabeni zemali, and we did. Sesiyashala inyuku la kanti ngizo identify abanye abantu. One day ngiyozenzela into yami khona somewhere around khona la in the East Rand la. Masifika na ikari yenyuku na FG, and we know ukuthi it's loaded na imali. So kwakune kare beyimile right place. So the first time actually ngikhuluma ngale story less. You say pastor's kid umkhulekele makeza. Anyway, I said young people please, I know ukuthi abantwana abancane bathanda ukukopa. For you ukuthi lokhu ukopa ungazithola ulende kwenye indawo, yabo? So mangifika ngiyara kune Mercedes Benz egreen. So this Mercedes Benz iyathela ku Temk number 2. Ngisayikhumbula kahle. So intwana bengivanayo iya straight kule car. Maye kule car ifika ikhipha umlilo. And then obviously iyashintsha. Bayishintsha le out le say defeated manje yabona ukuthi hey la i-problem. Remember, if you don't shoot they shoot you. If you don't do, I mean bona ngabe ngenze kube nama casualties. So le ntwana ke ifike isusa umsindo it discharge firearm. Immediately it cause attention. Now mighty attention. Mina la bengime khona I could see now kule Mercedes Benz oyi1 wakhona uhlikile umeceleni, oyi1 uhleli kuphi esteringini, and ngiyambona umdalanyana lo. So lo ngapha eceleni avela wele phansi angene phansi kwemoto, then mina ngiya advance mangifike ngithatha ithini lemali ngiya off ramp. Mango off ramp asibeka ikari ku double up sigibele gone. First time siyothenga ama golf, sithenga ama laser bekuyinto ezinjalo. Yangena phone call. Mayingena iphone call ngiyafuneka left and right. Mina ngithi mhlawumbe ngifuna amaphoyisa ejumpile lento nani. Kanti ngifuna the biggest syndicate, biggest criminal. Laba fact but we have never seen something like this. To achieve lo muntu umshini. Bangigaya igama bathi umshini. Then makungena igama lika scheme, ngene igama lika sniper, banginika lamagama bhaya nginga-understand ukuthi lento ibuyaphi. Le Grootman la ifika khona. Kanti umuntu bekahlanganisa uhlangane nezikimu zonke zabo Chauke zabo Rabutapi nani. So he's busy planting a seed to say guys, you must see this young man in action. I've never seen something like that. This man is sober, he's clean, he's sharp, and then quick step into zakhe zifast. And before you know it, and then sengilanda ama Grootman agroot amanye asemadanyane and yabo. So la ma Grootman bathi kimi chief when you are safe because thina simanga phambili omunye uma ngasemuva when you be in between. Bangibiza umuthi wemali but we've never seen someone lucky kanti. Leso sikhathi lento ka pastor's kid bengihamba ngomoya mina oyingcwele because makuthiwa sambeni gijela uquantum kuyenyangene ehostel quiz angene enyangeni mina bengifike ngibakhaphe ngequantum ngibe ngaphandle bafike babagcabe babapeyite omunye ababuye bathi hey umfazi wakho uyakuloya unebhadi mina ngizazi zonke la ihutesi mara makuthiwa itswe ilanga letswela zobani kunabantu abahlela baphilile lempilo siyiphilile mara monga babuza ukuthi le moto ehlaza ngiyena ithinta ngesandla bakaze bayithinta. So mina ungena phakathi kwayo ngiyodansa phakathi kwayo izinto zikhishwa yimi and worst part ukuthi ngilalise phansi ilandwa uwe bese ibiza inkomo. So inkomo ukuzisha ujury owela phansi. I was the action man ngisusa leyana. Now lento yonke it sounds rosy, it sounds like music, it sounds like hey man this man uphethe narrative emnandi. Mara, let me tell you ama repercussions. Life has a way of humbling someone down. Uculile Anthony Hamilton. So you might try ukuthi to wenza ama moves. When a first time uthi haya straight bullet, shaya inhloko dead. Or kwenzeka usale. I saw a video the other day trend la khona bekavalelekile amemeza ngivuleleni imkhiyele ngaphakathi yona semoto emali. So well igama lami la manje you earn stripes like mawufika ku comrades uqala kahle kuthiwa we street committee from lapho ungene branchini ama branchini so se region so se province ultimate to national. So mina ngasuka vele from la grassroots from street committee and then presidential team same time and now ngintwana ngilast born go wonke ama teams akhona media vele yathi mabaqede because beba amplify message basebenza ngathi nescheme sami bathi a team in South Africa ya reduce wa inumber le number yazo yahlala ku8. You know, I still remember bangihleli njalo ngisejele mase ngibhala incwadi ngithi mfethu yazi I remember isikhathi mawukhuluma ngoJesu Kristu neministry yakhe aphila at some point bekahamba nama disciples over 72. What let me tell you the number wahlala ngale 12. Even those are experiencing salvation because of the one who Judas Iscariot wamthengisa. Namhlanje iplan nenjongo kaThixo yafezeka. Now uJesu he was not satisfied even with that. Was reducing number to 3. The ones that he trusted the most, they had Peter, James and John. So mina I had that quality. Yokuthi I would identify my Peter, James and John. Ukuthi mangiya James I've created the edge of fire around my life. Labo ngiyazi lo marksman, lo iloza so ukuthi uwa crewman. So le team igcine lento yabona makuthiwa we are trainer. So ama sales wethu were very stark. Bese siqine lokho ukuthi we understand kahle system yonke. We don't just go, we go for gold. And we know for a fact when we go there, set dispossessors sabuya siyahlala. So I became now you know a cream. Yabona makuthiwa we hot property. We are a talk of the town. Now people started knowing us. Okay, kunomuntu ekuthiwa scheme. Thengi 147 ngoba west ngathengi M3 yaqala lento yathi. Now I'm not going to be splashing, be dishing all the negative you know significant events because I don't want people to see the glory, the shine. Ngifuna also let's amplify the darkness. So yonke le yanto engikhuluma ngayo bamba ke ngoba ngiyikhokhele ke. You believe it or you not. Yonke lento engikhuluma ngayo I lost every single cent. Mayiqedile yafika ku 0. From then yangena ku minus. So iscale sum I had to feel you know the pit ebe off. Mara mangifike ejele ngathi oh the pit konje nani nama alphabet I treat speak ngathi oh I'm a prophet in training. That's the alphabet emelu pit. Then I started working towards a positive you know direction because from a prison that's when I adopted young boys. Ngibathola omunye bamrepile wangale sekahleli ku wheelchair. Bangifika ngithi kubo I gave them the best Christmas ever. I remember I was the only one who bekafaka orange ohlala neyellow because bebathi bafuna ukungiprotecta from any other inmates abangangikwazi or anything in prison. Le ntwana ngazinikeza ifone ku Christmas. Ngathi haks omunye nomunye akayoxolisa. Bebarola phansi ngathi babadubulile khalwa. Ubona ukuthi abazali baba abandonile. Ama time o Adam. Bayabuza ensimini yaseAdam. Adam ukuphi na? Bazifihlile abo Adam. Intwana kulento ekuyiyo because ithama lide umama uzobona. Mayifika endlini inkala ngathi party paper kanje ayifuna ukuzofokola. Ingozi ititi yakwe timeni ithama linasikhathi demveni bukhuluma nomama. So zonke lezo zinto lezo zibuilder zibreathe ijealous zibreathe ienvious zibreathe ianger emntwaneni omncane okhula aswela lwathando lomzali. So I mean in wrapping up when I was looking at these boys I realized ukuthi abaningi bakhona ba-abandon isikolo abanye ba-drop outile abanye bonke abantu bakhona motebag bail 500,000 rands. So I had money ebeyikhona mangene ejele and also mabefika bazongivakashela beyibhaliswe imali. So I had over 36,000 phambili lapha. Now prison order bahlala khala tasihole imali nathi asinayo even ebank. So I started bailing out. Iministry yami iqala kanjalo. I started bailing young people whilst I was still in prison. Weza ngiyakubuza ukuthi ufunda wathi ngifunde tutoliseni ngichapha mfunde junior ngifunde master right thola abazali siya connecta mangukubhaila iagreement you must go back to school. So in ministry akusho ukuthi bekumele ngabe ngihambile ngaze ngayohlala ejele mara mina indlela yami somehow uyikhandile uThixo mara wayifaka lento le yaka Joseph ukuthi chief uPaul and Silas ku Acts lapha chapter 16 bebahleli and when the prison doors were shaking and you know the jailer thought ukuthi hey chief labantu bayile straight labantu but no we are still here. So it happened with me where I saw doors of the prison would know they could open anytime because remember these people bang for stand I can always find a way to outmaneuver them in the system and say hey bamba na inyuku ngenze the Thabo Bester style but not look I've done this I'm going to serve. Ngizokwenza sure ukuthi each and every single day represents the journey and represents the scar and represents the sadness and the danger and also the pain I have caused kubantu bebakhona, because when you do crime you must know that there are people abalimalayo. When you sell drugs you are destroying impilo zabantu.
Wow. All I can say is that to God be the glory. We really thank God for your life, because siyafunda. And I'm sure ukuthi abalalele emakhaya, more especially youth yethu, they are going to learn something out of this conversation namhlanje, because crime does not pay. But what I love the most and what I thank God for is that through all the things that you have done, Butwami, uNkulunkulu bekane-purpose ngawe. From crime to a life changer. Today you are changing a lot and lots of impilo zabantu, because truly speaking you've got that thing, you know, testimony yakho iyaphilisa. And it sounds, I want to add on what you've just said ukuthi it may sound rosy, you know, you've said ukuthi benenza izinto zenzeke, but ukuphela kwayo it wasn't. Because ama-grace awafani. When maybe you're not going to uyejele, as he said ubhuti wami ukuthi mhlawumbe uzodutshulwa. So that's why uNkulunkulu ama platform aso ayenzela ukuthi si teach abantu. The idea ye Pastor's Kit is not just ukuthi size la sizobonakala senze, but is to make sure ukuthi we change lives. Is to make sure ukuthi thina umlilo bhuti wami esibuya kuwona esingene kuwona, let us make sure ukuthi abanye obhuti nosisi abangeni kuwona. And I just want also to add ukuthi ubhuti wami he is not a PK, as much as he said ukuthi biological father yakhe is just a normal person, ubaba onormal, but what makes him ukuthi sibe relevant mina naye is because of the spiritual fathers as mentionile ezakhe. Because the reason why he is here today is because of what uNkulunkulu umthathile wamshintsha wamsebenzisa, of which we can see ukuthi uyamsebenzisa namhlanje. So that's why we are having him to share this story. I'm deeply touched. I'm so deeply touched. May the Lord continue to increase you. And before moving on, I just want to say, because bazosibuza balaleli ukuthi the award usisi uhleli nayo for what? I just want to appreciate everyone, because without you I wouldn't receive this. I said to myself, this is the award that I will always carry wherever I'm going, because uNkulunkulu tegi me with this award. I'm just trying to show you ukuthi whatever that you are doing, ngiyayivaluisha. Because I'm a musician. I've been to music industry for more than 15 years or 18 years, I must say. I did not receive any recognition. But look at me, I've just started sharing my testimony. I don't even have 2 years or in, but look at God what he's doing. Without you guys, I wouldn't receive this. It's an award that was given to me as a community builder to say we are watching you. So to God be the glory indeed, Butwami. uNkulunkulu makasebenzisa kanje, we don't need to hold back. We need to take it back to the community. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, just got a quick question for Pramtimbani. Pramtimbani, I've been following you for quite some time, especially from your book to the socials and the podcast. I feel like you are a bit modest, Pramtimbani, when you mention the work that you are doing behind the scenes in terms of work with correctionals and things like that. I honestly feel like stories like that need to be shared more. We're living in a world where a lot of negativity is shared, and negativity is what sells. I feel like Natinje as a community in this space, we need to try and do more to put a light on the work that you guys are doing for the community, because stories like that are not seen. They are not advertised as much as the ugly stuff is being advertised into the and negative stuff is on a TV. So I just want to say, Mina, what kind of work can we do as communities to sort of shine more light on the work that you do, whether it be assisting in terms of financially, whether it be, some of us, we want to start non-profits as well and chip in and try and see where we can put our hand in and help, because I honestly believe, Guti, for me, as I said, I've known you Begintwana, we were inspired by you, but what inspiring even more now is who you are now and what you became now. And that's the story I feel like has to be shared more, unlike the stories as Akdala and whatnot. So us as a community and people within the digital space or whatever podcasts, what can we do to help? And I feel like there needs to be platforms where we can share more of this information. Like, for example, a layman like myself or Utofo, what can we do to help? Are there things that we can join, we can volunteer, we can set up? So I was just trying to so we can get our hands dirty, because no, umsebenzi nowenza umuhle. And I just feel awubonakala as much as it should be shown, in my opinion. But yeah.
Thank you so much. Well put, my brother, and thank you also for, laying a helping hand. A lot of people understand ukuthi when we are talking about the work of God, even abafundisi, siyahamba siya emabandleni, mawufika into ebulala abazalwane, into ebulala motivational speaker, the word when someone is going to utter these following words ukuthi uNkulunkulu akubusise, that alone kumbula ukuthi ayifake ipetrol le yanto, yabo, and I monetize it, and you can't even buy airtime. That alone cannot take you to the level of unukuya kuyo. So in as much as we believe, and we are firm believers, of the forgiveness of sins through Jesus Christ, but also, if faith alone, so we need actions, Chief. People have spoken. When you want to amplify a message, take a church that boasts about 10,000 people. So if they are sitting, they are just receiving and saying amen. Family man, uphuma ne-20 rand ufike egarage niyayichenja, uthatha i-2 rand uyinika lo ogcina umntwana, uthatha i-3 rand uyinika lo umama umnika i-5 rand niyayifaka le $20. Listen, Chief, ukulight ama-lights on kwi-10,000 seater, you might be carrying a bill of about 250,000 per month, which is $250,000 rand. Abafundisi ngiyabazamela because they know ukuthi carrying the work, worst part ifika isikhathi sokukhuleka. Chief, mawungakhuleka kahle ubeka umuntu, amadimoni ngathi atransfereka aphuma ngapha eza kuwe. Mawubuyela ekhaya uhamba with the load serious. Umama ukubheka kanje afika lo mfundisi nasithiwa umfundisi, ngifuna ukubona kahle uNkulunkulu omkhulekayo baze bamdawute. Ngoba unangqondo uyekela abantu ekumele ubaseve ekhaya, uba protected, because you are a provider. Umama can just create that security and the hedge around abantwana bakhe nebandla lakhe, because umama omkhuleka umama oyinyembezi, but wena you must provide. So you are providing problems ngoba in the end these people abezayo, so uyahamba on top of the 3-4 that you have endlini, so nabantwana abayi-25 abe-Sunday school abakho bonke, because bathi mfundisi ugogo na 88, you are presiding over the church, umntwana wakho naye. So lo msebenzi ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma nges-prophetic way, you understand? So it's a prophetic ministry. People they need to understand with the work that we are doing, it's a work of God. There are people abahlala ekuthiwa we are government officers and officials. Those people, they need to preside over, but they've got a budget, Chief. The responsibility of Eguruleni, they give them 55 billion a year. Josie, as in Umaspala was the city of Johannesburg, 72 billion per year. So our departments, they are 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. Ours, we can always billion. Let me give you an example. In Pumila in 2020, let's cut lockdown. So they had lockdown, COVID, and. Now, the token got to give on a GPV. So I'm an activist, serious, and I don't doubt it or need to beat around the bush. And humble when it comes to serving in terms of gender based, because among other things, mang sentence on HL, they call the element of GPV, net lab, kidnapping, and all of that. So we decided to create some momentum through a walk SSIN. So this walk was about amplifying the message and walking a footstep with each and every single individual. Oye wezwa ubuhlungu, olimela bothi kufatso pule bashona bashiso madaspinini to ashes. You understand? So we said a lot of families are grieving. Worst part, this thing abantu abayibona ukuthi it's in the spirit. We are not only fighting things that are in the physical. It's called ukuzibona sikwazi ukuthi sizi it. You understand? We need a permanent, not a cosmetic solution. So we walked. It was 10 of us. So one lady and 9. Okay, 8 rule bese kuba eating up. Now, when we walked, we left Johannesburg. I know what is for 10 days to go to a KZN. So I walked 530 k's away from Johannesburg. So this is, when I'm saying you are aggressive and you are intentional, I'm angry positively because I wanted this work to be seen. It was all over national TV. It was all over social media. Okay, in the end, there's someone who's asking Pano Princess to say, hey, Chief, you walked, then nitholeni. Walkile inyawo. Mawungabheka ungene ku Instagram yami mawehla nayo ku CMGP. You see, Chief. Inyawo bezivuvukile zingaka. And I'm saying this is the pain that people are feeling. So I want to be there because there are a lot of things ezibekhona. Yabo, masibona into zenzakala eBhayibhelini. Zenzakala namhlanje, but then now kune technology. It's no longer like before. You understand? When we convert to Katanisi situation, you have Solomon. This man was just praying to God and saying, you understand? So he became the wisest man, probably the richest man, arguably, on earth. But that guy, when they mistake also because uNkulunkulu wayebusisa kuba khona izinto ezama distractions ngoba indaba yebele ezomguqisa. So you've got 700 wives and then you've got 300 concubines. So ngamanye amagama sakhona ukufocus. The reason why he changed indaba yotshwala, yes, Jesus Christ will perform a miracle emshadweni wayenza amawine. Mara in the end uyabuya ijika ku New Testament uthi hey amakhosi adakwa utshwala what reverse indaba yotshwala. So people don't understand how these things operate, because we need motivational speakers, preachers, pastors, abazokhona understand because prophetess Jonita Binam, she says every pastor, preacher, mentor, motivator has been given a people. Tina, we are responsible to tell our story so that the people may know the power of God. Any tool that anyone can use in the universe is his or her testimony. So this testimony, I cannot just speak without bringing some substance to it because the alignment yako. You can understand that you say, oh, okay, the tasting is in the eating. And I'm references. I can always go back and say, Chief, I need you. So in the eating, from the production team, number one, people, they need to like, to subscribe and comment. As I speak, they need to click that button. You're going to see a subscribe. The subscription, it transferred and converted to energy, which is now a currency. You understand? Whether we are paid in dollars, whether we are paid in pounds, ukulungisa production such as this one, you are saying uskim meles uskim usukela isuthi izolo bengijimisa most wanted. So ngifikela ebusuku now I would have said, hey Chief, no, but bayingakho abantu abazoyithola lento mara abakwazi ukungayithola nina ningakwazi kuyi-era. We need data for you guys to go live. So people don't understand ukuthi this production it costs you a simple 10,000 rands because madam anqedela noyenza kunama post production kunama pre-production. So this is serious work. So our churches, they've got an obligation, Chief, to make sure that they are playing a bigger role in the community. Abantu banikele izinto kuma comrades. Chief, you'll never get nothing. Those people omunye nomunye meant for himself because ungene ku position and the learning ngene khanda. Bakasuku uthatha amantombazane yebona uyobhadala i-accommodation ye 250,000 per night. The next thing, Badi City collapse. Gumila masuri jonkin. So that is what I'm saying. Lenda ifulu good slow si politicizer, si romanticizer. It's about time that we call each other out as men. With gents in the gender base. Uzolalu baliyo, uzongenete etanyana. Hlukana right because if ever umuntu figure or umama, once wakhuluma S weight or K weight, it's your cue to go. Ungaloku busy kusasa uwe othatha inyalo lakho walifaka ngaphansi kwalakababa bokuletha ukuthi ubaba ukunyathelile. So it's about time because abantu bafika epotini sinabondawo yazi ndaweni sinazo zonke le ndawo sikhaleni, but in the end kuphuma amantombazana ayi6 omunye ufaka i-fishnet, omunye ufaka i-tight fit, omunye ufaka i-see-through. Bayangena eklabhini. They are beautiful. And those people, of course, uDelilah akekho umuntu ongasitholi le story ukuthi bekantswembu nange-pole dancing. uDelilah bekuyilast number. That's why I defeated le out le ngwenya. You understand? So if uSamson angakhonanga ukuresista leya edge yakhona nathi mawufakela ama-fishnet ufike eklabhini vele amajita azothi sharp. Then someone said, let me pay the bill. You are paying a bill of 9,000 rands. The next thing you are saying, ngibhadalile but ngeke ihashi ngilibhejele ngaligibeli. Mase uqala udemand into ezithize bese sekuthiwa hey lo muntu lo wenze i-mistake. So aningitsheleni niphuma ni6 ngalama fishnet niyongena endaweni aniphethanga ne40 rand. That's a recipe for disaster.
Wow. We thank God for your wisdom. Really, we thank God. You know, what a powerful speaker. What a powerful man of God we have today. I don't know what to say. I'm blessed. And I just want to thank God because, you know, time is not on our side. The way ublesseke ngakhona, we just feel like having you, you know. Ulogu and just bless, but we don't have time. Yes, I didn't let you. I would like to also to emphasize, beautiful people, that to those who wanna, plow a seed, kule ministry, because it is a ministry.
ministry, yeah.
It is a ministry.
Yeah.
So we would really appreciate and we really thank God if you can do that, because we really need to take care of our guests, cater for them. So to those, maybe God is touching you to say, I want to plow a seed. May the Lord increase you. The details are on the screen. You can see them and then do as the Lord is saying to you. God bless you. As we're about to fold this beautiful conversation we had today, all right, okay.
The hidden guy wants to ask a
The
question.
hidden guy, yeah, the hidden guy.
Can I ask you, Mr. Scheme,
Leadership.
Ko Bibeleng, who's your favorite character maybe? Who would you say?
But
Oh,
can I
people,
just-
yeah. Who would you say?
Well, I would say
Resonates Loen.
I would say with David.
Hey,
Mighty put on the armor of God. Remember, there are a lot of things ezenzakele laphana before the story esokhipha le out inhloko, and before the story sesling, there was a story of a bear, there was a story of a lion. So njengami ngilona amadimoni amaningi, and I conquered, and I came out tops. But there's a weakest link laphana, or a weakness kaDavide, in as much as he was David, mara bekasenyameni. So King David, they asked the question ngelilanga ukuthi hey bafethu inkosi ithulile ngathi ayifile, then bavele balandusisa ogcoke kahle awamabele amahle kakhulu, bafake ngale inkosi bathi ngena sister, bafuna ukuzwa bakaphuma lo sisi, bambuza bathi hey inkosi kwenzeni, wathi nix, bathi akabambanga nebele, bathi hayi inkosi ikhotheme ilele. So the man killed a man called Uriah in the Bible because he wanted to sleep with his wife. But yeka leyo into ebalekile sithi namahubo 23 uJehova ngumelisi wami. He was very blessed.
Kopa tshwara moo. And I was hoping, Hore, you'd say David. David is the same person. Oh, Nalona le Goliath, am I wrong?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I was actually hoping, Hore, you'd say, Hore, that's the person. Ne?
yeah.
There are certain characters throughout history. You'll find there's a character called Achilles.
Yeah.
Ne? Achilles wasn't big melee. Achilles was very favored in terms of fighting and skill based on one simple thing. He was a bold character. It's the same situation as David. David is a very bold character. Never mind his size and all of that. I think it's because Batunabamnyata perhaps that would be backdrop high, but then he did something major because he was very bold. And anointed.
Yeah.
So there's a saying that says life or fortune favors the bold.
Yeah.
Ne? If I sit and I watch you, I'd say maybe in terms of Kasitu or Kabatuba, maybe we're practicing African spirituality. They say such people banally spirit is zunza. There's a certain spirit that they say that they have. Ne? That say these people, they don't go to Disangoma, they don't go to a herbalist to get matla or to get cleansed and all of that. They just naturally given that thing because they were born bambetwe. I think that's the saying that they use. Ne, with Christianity, it's a similar thing. Even Lekadi, if you look at the Muslims, they say such people are covered by jinns. Jinns, kidi stories is jini, and they're fortunate, they are favored by certain spirits. Ne? So I would say in your story, I do believe, because at some point, rapper. How chilal ma rapper, honal ma rapper, honang dipina. These people are typically people who plan. Ne? And then honal ma rapper are free flowing. They don't need to write anything down. They just go in there and they try something and they know they'll find their way by just spitting down. And these are the people typically who always win because they go in there simply based on being bold and they have no plan. And I think chances are, even back then in your times, crime, I think it was a case, or maybe people would say, Hori, how can now another? You'll find Hori, you are bold. Well, bold kaskasi, but maybe unali black or only forward. But it's basically being bold. It's the same thing in it, like David, like I said before, and I spoke about Achilles, and there are those characters in history where people look at them and they say, hey, these people, whenever they do something, whatever they touch, for some reason, it turns to gold, and they never fail with certain things. You can take them out of this and put them in this, but they'll always win. So all these characters have different sayings in different, as much as I say Christianity, like a Muslim, China, and then as much as the African spirituality. What would you say to someone who's looking at you and who believes, hey, this guy, I'm exactly like this guy, but maybe I need certain words from him. We can say maybe it's a Christian person who's watching. Now I keep saying, Hori, I like accommodating different types of religions, different types of beliefs, because you learn a lot from other people. Ne? For whoever the person who's watching you, ne? Now I would say, Hori, stay bold. Bold will always, you always be favored. The moment you become tame, I think that's when it's honorable Tupac. The Tupac are the same characters. They're very bold back then, and they just do their stuff, and they just find favor along the way for some reason. Ne? What words would you say you have for that young person who's growing up, who believes or my brother and and obviously you'd say something that wouldn't put them in the wrong path, but in the right path. But the issue here is that they have this energy that they want to pen somewhere. How would you direct them?
You know, I love the Bible because the lack of knowledge, and the people of God, they perish. So if you don't armor yourself, you know, with the armors of God. So I'm not being religious or spiritual. I'm just saying to you, you have to believe somewhere, whether Hindu, Shia, Sunni, whether we Muslim, whether Ushembe, Nazareth, whether Umzalwane, it matters not. The fact remains is, we have to align and belong somewhere. Take a radio tuned to the frequency of the station. So you need to make sure that your aerials are always on high alert. So there are young people abakona, but the problem is into zabo and then there's something that's called a lock and key mechanism. Y28 opens Y28 only. You understand? So there are Y28s that are loitering around there. Unokuthola relationship your cherry. Kule lock and key mechanism. Uthatha Y28 yovula viral. Chief, very definitely trouble is inevitable. So young people, two things ezinokwenzeka, the law of karma, the law of retribution. Izinto ziyabuya kuwe. So and that thing but karma loses no address, ivara. So if ever I envy you, if ever I ngiyakujelasela, if I envy you, I want to be you kwesinye isikhathi. So it's very dangerous. You understand? It's witchcraft. We cannot duplicate and replicate Umandela. Umandela had attributes of a leader, but Umandela all the time, he always had itori as inspire abantu. I inspired many or a few of the people. Mandela came from Union Building as ngi-rapper up. Mageza uthola a lady endleleni. Moto what about meet? Gune tire puncture. Now, if protocol, get a reporter from head office. This man is a president. Ulandelanga ngekari Z12. Maketile he ordered a car. He's a first citizen. He said Niamala. Magetliga asondela kulo mama. Lo mama kishwa chayiswa ikar. He went yojeka ikar. You go to his books, you would find what I'm talking about. Umandela wa shay car. One day, wahamba wa straight so to baby Jake Matlala. Figu press intercom. Baby Jake has just won a fight internationally. You know, ufika press intercom, baby Jake will respond. Ubandla, Umandela uthi ngizela ngizolwa nawe. Phuma ubani. That guy was angry to say, enhle kubani lo ngithatha kanje kodwa kuwina ngichamp. Uphume alo makafika. That guy was shell shocked. He almost fainted. Ukubona uMandela ngaphandle. Madiba magic. He inspired someone. That man did not live there. Wahamba wa stadium. Makafika uthola ufish ugqoka number 6. Makafika kuye umtshola the chief. Ngicela senze ifavor awungi-exchange le t-shirt ufish wakhipha number 6 wanika uMandela uMandela le jezi amnikele nolu 6 that guy uthi mangicabanga uMandela bengidlala ukuphuka inyawo. So how many of you guys eningalo madiba magic omunye nomunye umuntu uyiphiwe lento? It's just that thina sinalento abathi ubu-selfish. You can actually attract a lot of people, funders, donors, partners, sponsors. But now, just because ufuna nje kuba one band and yonke into ufuna ukuthi ibe into yakho i-one we centralize, it becomes a problem. We comprehend to you ongayi-splitter, but you want 13, 16, 18 girls and uyi-one ungeke uzwe ikhona. So all the time I talk about issue to your capacitator, then bese senza skills transfer. You know, just call a friend to tell another friend. Ukuthi sibaningi para siko badinga ngakho only 60 million people ama-billions ekhulunywa ngawo la makungathiwa sithi nje wealth distribution yakhona. I know abantu bathe mfethu le fiction into engekenzeka mara you can imagine ukuthi kudala bekuphilwa kanjani. Ama-resources they were little almost to none, but people lived. So for me ukuthi ngibe uscheme, I identified nalento ngaphakathi uNkulunkulu ayiplante kimi. I did not use another tool for the right job. Angithathi ayina ngikokotela ipikiri, ngithathi ihamura ngikokotela ipikiri. So while in align kanje mele nazi enye into yokugcina engivala ngayo ukulalela. That's why ingoma ithi kubiza ukuphila kwethu. There was a man called Naaman in the Bible. So Naaman wagula waphathwa ubuchoko. Make gula and mawuthi ebheka lento akalapheki. But uNaaman walalela umuntu o the least important, which was u-auntie oclean endlini kwakhe. U-auntie wathi there's a man called Elisha. This man wenza izinto zenzeke. Lo mama wathula imamela lento. uNaaman, he was a commander of the armies of Syria. This man won serious battles. Maruko umuntu beke phansi. Agula la phethwe into engayi understand. Wathi yazini for a change thing here. Waya kumprofeti Elisha. Uprofeti wavela wathula ukhoba ngewindow wathi ubani wena? Kwathiwa uNaaman wathi David, go dip yourself in the river Jordan. Wathumela impimpi yakhe ukuthi hamba umtshela. Umuntu was so them that was so furious to say yes. Ngizotshela umuntu mina ngi-honor ama president ama prime minister. Ngizotshela umuntu ukuthi go dip myself, but ukulalela he humbled himself. Walalela wahamba wathi go dip yourself 7 times. Wangena first, second time, third time, 7th time he received his healing because of ukulalela. Kwesinye isikhathi lokungamameli kusisa kwezinye indawo ezikude noma ngabe khona into ezoshintsha kuwe, but just because kunomuntu off bawuthi umbhekile and say ngalalela bonke abantu, not to scheme lo oyenze 1 2 3 4 5. I might have been there. The enemy of our faith is a specialist on condemnation. Usathane lo.
Amen. Wow. You know, it goes back to imoto yethu driver, like sihamba ngo Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 to 2. Uthi singajudge ubaba. The reason why ngithe I want to have this kind of show whereby I'll bring all these PKs, I'll bring all these people abangene intweni uNkulunkulu wabakhipha wabasebenzisa. It is because we are facing into yokujaja esemasontweni kakhulu. So usho something engibuyisele emuva ukuthi ngakhohle ukuthi whatever esikhuluma ngayo ku Pastor's Kit, we are saying uNkulunkulu uthi singajudge, i-judgment eyakhe kuphela. Thank you so much. You are a man of power. May the Lord continue to increase you, my brother. And I would like to encourage us as we're about to fold our show, ukuthi we can do all things through Christ who give us strength, because with our own strength we can't. Ukuze uNkulunkulu nisibona sigijima kangaka sixoxa ngalodaba sixoxa ngama testimonies wethu, it is because of strength sakaNkulunkulu. That is Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. So sesiphuma sesihamba ngithi kini balaleli, uNkulunkulu khona, uNkulunkulu uyasishintsha isimo somuntu, uNkulunkulu uyamguqula umuntu bese futhi amsebenzisa. Ngisho naye lo muntu enithi mani imbheke ekihlaleni nithi uzositshelani ngoba ubuye ejele. uNkulunkulu makambizile ukuthi ngikubizile ukuthi ushintshe impilo zabantwana bami, uzomsebenzisa. Here we are namhlanje uNkulunkulu uyasebenzisa. There were people who were saying uLindiwe angasitshelani, but uNkulunkulu ngoba yena akhombile ukuthi uLindiwe ngifuna ukuthi angisebenzele. Ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu namhlanje. May the Lord continue to increase you and your family, my brother. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Amen.
Amen.
Mina ngisazibuza ukuthi intaha yini. Ngathi ngaphuza amanzi mangiceda ukulisho.
Thank you, colleagues.